times we cried, but I guess you know now. Baby, I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby.
Hi, we are going. Not gonna tell y'all yet where we're going, but I'm sitting next to my brother Mikey. And your girl got a window seat. Let's see. Yep. Alright, so we're about to go out of the country. I'm not gonna tell you guys which country yet, not that you really care or anything. What if you we are, I don't know. What do you expect to do on this trip? No, him back there.
Have fun, spend time with my 2 other sisters, eat some daddies.
Alright, you're done. Alright, we got 3 bottles. Actually, Mikey bought 3 bottles of champagne, so we know we got to go eat. Alright, the next time you guys see me, we will be in Bahamas.
Hey, Homer hanging on my neck. The bracelet matches a set. My brother name is Tina Dollar. Stop all that back and forth over the net. My mama wish I would've went corporate. She wish I would've went exec. I still turn to a CEO, so the lifestyle she respects. Hey, 2 sprinters to Quebec. Cherie, vous et mon bec. They only giving niggas +1, so I never pull up to the mix. You know I gotta bring the set. You know I gotta bring the G block. You know I gotta bring the D block. Cause you know how sticky it get. Hey. 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 She want me to play with that cat. Hey. She love how I make it all wet. Hey. You know how sticky it get. Hey. You know how sticky it get. You know how sticky it get.
Alright guys, the lighting is ass, but we are at a restaurant. I think this is the steakhouse restaurant. It is called Carna. I think that's how you pronounce it. It's a steakhouse or butcher shop, whatever you want to call it. They have Wagyu selections, a grill, regular entrees like seafood and chicken, seafood towers, I'm reading the menu as I go, salads, appetizers, and I think like a charcuterie type thing where it's cheese and meat, and then like a tartare. So I'm just gonna show you the food maybe, but it's super dark in here.
Leave me out the comments, leave me out the nonsense. Speaking out of context, people need some content. Niggas trying to keep up, shit is not a contest. Whipping beds concept, heaven sent, God sent. At least that's what my mom says. Proof is in the progress.
Hi guys, it is day 2 here in Bahamas at BAHAMAR. So yesterday was crazy. We got here immediately, put our stuff down. We went out to the water parks. We went to the, what do you call that? It was like a lounge by the pool, kinda. It was outside. It was like a pool party. It's called Prestige or something, Privilege, something. I think it was called Privilege. Then we walked around, had a dance party. We went to the club last night, or I don't know what that was, a rooftop, like, I don't know, y'all. We went to a restaurant, and so you saw all that footage already. Sorry, like, I wasn't doing a lot of talking because I had so much fun yesterday, and I was so, you know, I was in awe, and I didn't want to spend time, like, on my camera the whole time, so sorry. So I'm gonna put, well, you guys already saw, if I put like a montage together or something like that, I don't know what I'm gonna do. But yeah, so right now I just woke up, I have my robe, and let's see what today takes us, okay? All right.
Your shit tomorrow, no, we can do it, my
Bahamas. Let's get it. All right, y'all. I don't know what we're doing today. I think we're going to the pool. I think we are going to, where we going? To eat, to the pool. Y'all, it's probably 12 o'clock. 12:30. I have not had one meal at all. So, and I've been up since 8. Did I say that already? I think I said that already. But you get what I'm saying.
I don't even look sexy, but he's still trying to sex me. Ain't got that good with them dirty bitches. I am the queen sees when he put the.
I think I should. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get out of here.
And technically, you got it first.
So, we've made it to my sister's room, and there's breakfast. She gonna be, if y'all see somebody falling everywhere on this resort, it's her because she can't see.
Are you getting this?
I uploaded your photo.
We gotta stop at Dax on the way to the pool.
What's that?
It's a bar that's sitting like right there next to the pool.
Everybody was like, your sister is so cute. I said, damn, what y'all think about me? I ain't saying nothing about me.
Did you upload it to my page?
Yeah, but from your page, I can like repost it on my page. Oh, I look so pretty. Okay, so we are at the beach at the Rosewood.
Okay, I can't fly that way.
Anywho,
Are you getting it?
yeah, I got you. I got you. Yeah. Are you posing because it's a video?
I thought we were going to do some pictures.
Yeah, we are.
I'm going to take my hat off.
Please take this gigantic ass hat off.
Y'all the one told me to buy it.
I like the hat, but good God.
The hat is good for maybe 1 or 2 Instagram posts.
Okay, we got to share this chair. Be careful.
There's 3 people sharing this chair. Me, her, and this hat. Let me see how I look with it. Jesus. Why is the wind? Yeah, it's enough for my head. It's so beautiful. We got these trampolines, jet skiing, live entertainment. Yeah.
We're wondering if you maybe we could order like drinks and food. Oh yeah.
Thank you. The menu. I think I want a crispy fish taco.
The one that we had, this is the one that I had at that poster. It was really good. It wasn't on the menu, but he said I can make it for you, so I'm sure he's saying too.
Oh, for the drink, I want the Passion of Bahamas. Is gin, is it chinola? Passion fruit? Ow. Fuck y'all. Or no, the Calypso. Which one should I get? Gin, mango, lime juice, prosecco, and organic agave syrup. I'm gonna get the Calypso.
Let's see what one we get.
Huh?
That might be what's
Who lives in a pineapple under the sea? All right, we got our drinks. This is the Calypso, which is gin, prosecco, mango, lime, and some other stuff. I wish. It's giving tropical. Let me sip it again. I think someone of my party has COVID or something. I don't know. Over here. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. Oh, I didn't know it came with 3. This looks good. Well, look at this tacos, y'all. The fish. All right now. All right. The crispy fish tacos. This is about to slap. I can tell. Anybody want a taco? So we're gonna play music trivia. Music trivia is a game that I made up where I say some lyrics, and I'm pretty sure that this game is out there. You say some lyrics, and the person has to finish it or knows the next word or phrase before. Marlo was not good at it. All right, music trivia, guys. Go ahead.
All right, who want to be started something?
Michael Jackson.
There you go.
Point for me.
Well, I wasn't ready.
Baby, you gotta get I
said, who want to be started something?
Okay, come on.
I mean, we just started.
Yeah, that's an easy one. What 2 weather elements did Janet Jackson say she was ready to do anything at any time?
Wind and rain.
Thunder and rain.
Mike, you got a point.
Dang it. Thunder and rain.
What does Grover Washington see on the
Exactly,
window
y'all.
down the hall?
Exactly, y'all.
What
No
does
one
he see
fucking
fall on the
knows.
window down the hall?
Window pane, rain,
Yes.
rain.
Marla got it.
I said no. That's my point because I said
He
rain.
said, it's the raindrops. I see the crystal raindrops fall.
Okay, so
Well, no. The answer is crystal raindrops.
So here's why that's Bill Withers singing. Grover Washington Jr. did the music, but
Boo, so that point don't count. So guys, we are walking down with all the shops. This hat has made the debut on this.
You have to catch it like I'm shopping.
Oh wow! Okay, this hat has made its debut on this vlog more times than me. Oh, Mac. You did say it was a Mac here. Oh, it's a perfume restaurant. I mean, place. Where?
Oh, so I gotta take it to the hotel.
Oh, this is the soap you use in your restaurant.
And this is the one I really like, the fiery pink. But I want to see if they had. Mommy used to wear this out. I wonder, can she get it anymore?
What is this?
Oh my gosh, I wonder if I should buy it. She used to wear
Ew.
this out.
I don't like it.
That used to be her scent.
All right, guys, we're about to go to dinner. I'm dressed, makeup on. About to go to my sister's room. So I think we're gonna go to get cocktails before dinner and just talk and stuff like that. So that's what I'm about to do. Yeah, and this is the last night here. We were here for 2 nights and 3 days, and she was here for 3 nights and 4 days. So, yeah. I'll show you guys what goes on at dinner. We are at the restaurant, the Italian restaurant of the resort. Child, there's so much shit going on up in here. But we are at this Italian restaurant and she looked over at me and we started laughing. The girl right here and the boyfriend and her husband, they looked over at me like they were laughing and we were laughing. Because everybody was like, I got I'll talk to y'all later because I don't know what's going on in here. Enjoy the montage. Alright guys, so after dinner we went to go check out the SLS Monkey Bar, and it was just a lot going on. There was a lot of locals there, a lot of people from other resorts there that don't technically stay here. It was like children there, and this is like a turn up little thing for adults. It was just too much going on, so I came back to my room because the anxiety, and I just really wasn't even in the mood to go out. So I'm back in my room. I'm about to wind down for bed, and yeah, tomorrow's definitely the last day we leave tomorrow, so probably won't do much. I'm gonna record some content, so yeah, with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and comment below. All right, good morning. It is our last day, and I'm so sad. But I said I was ending the vlog last night, but let me give you a rundown. So last night we went to this Italian restaurant, y'all. When I said they set us by someone, this party of like, it had to be a party of 12, and 6 of the 12 were like small children. Like, I don't think the oldest one was over 8. And when I tell you, had it been some black people, we would have got kicked out. They were climbing on top of the tables, chairs, screaming. One of the parents got into it with someone else at their table, another woman, and he was yelling at her. It was one of those moments, y'all, where the restaurant just kind of like stopped and looked like, what's pay? You know, type stuff. And they were like, you know, of course kids are going to be kids, but those were some badass kids. Those were not well-mannered kids at all. So we went to this Italian restaurant, and the food was okay. Like, the truffle pizza was the best. So if you like truffle, get the truffle pizza. I really wasn't impressed by the food. It was, I don't know, it just, I wanted to feel like I was in Italy. I felt like I was in like Olive Garden or something. I don't know. But other than that, last night I didn't want to go out. I was so tired. I know I'm lame. I went straight to the bed, and yeah, so this morning we're up. We're about to eat some breakfast. We got some coffee. Yeah, we were just chilling, and we're about to leave, and my skin looks so moisturized. And this morning I woke up and did my makeup, took pictures, took a shower, retook a shower and stuff. So now I'm back chilling and eating breakfast. So yeah, I had so much fun on this trip, and thank you guys for watching.